predictive procurement orchestration is all about making sure that you have some sense going into a transaction of what to expect on the other side. So you're not playing that game of telephone.
Right.
And as a result, like you're talking about with COVID, pricing changes in the market, we're simulating the price right before it happens. Right before it happens. And by the way, anyone who tells you they can predict the price of something like a month or a year from now is pulling your leg, right?
Yeah.
It's just, there's so much noise and there's so much we don't know. It's kind of like the relationship between meteorology and climatology. In aggregate, we can predict changes in climate. In specific, we can have some idea of the weather next week. We're not going to predict the weather a month from now. We're not going to predict the weather a year from now. We might have some sense of what forces in the climate are doing, but those forces actually have no relationship to the weather on a given day of the year, which is one of the interesting things when you look at large data sets. You see that specific examples, which are of course for us easier to make stories out of, are not very rarely are they representative of a specific interaction pattern or pattern within the data.